What's up, everybody? It's your boy MjM, and today I am back for another video. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded a Resident Evil video, but I had to take a little step back because I was squeezing out the fun of Resident Evil and then also editing on top of that. It was becoming real mundane and I didn't look forward to it at the end of like playing a episode. I was like, alright, bet, let's play the episode. And I'm not like, fuck, I had to edit this bitch. Damn. But yeah, with that said, I'm gonna fill you guys in with the void of a ThreadBeast box. I upgraded the box a little bit, so we're gonna have a little bit more items to showcase for you guys. Hope you guys are excited for that. So if you are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and if you think this is something that somebody else might be interested in, share that to them. With all that said, I will see you guys on the transition. So we're here with the box. Now all we need to do is make sure you grab a sharp knife, make our incisions, skadoosh, put the sharp knife up, and right now I'm testing out a mic my nephew gave me. If it works, so be it. If it doesn't, well, sugar. Apparently that's pretty decent, so we'll continue on. So we got ourselves, like I said, the higher end box. So there's going to be a few more items in here. We have a jacket right here from the start. I thought that was something on the jacket side. And it looks like some sweats. Ooh, let's see here. They're like, ooh, joggers. Nice joggers. And I got the camera over there, so that way you guys have some B-roll of me just kind of showcasing this stuff. That's nice. Feels nice. Feels like not lightweight, pretty thick, wind resistant, maybe water proof substance, common sense, TS12, comfort, mobility, versatility. Okay, I'm not sure, but medium. Whoa, $68. I mean, that's like already half of the box right there for price, for what I paid for it. Just off those right there. We also have this nice perimeter puff jacket. Do a little bit of that for you. And it's kind of hard working two cameras, you know? Don't really think about it. Well, I didn't, not yet. It's even got the tag still. Perimeter, large. We'll take it. And if you guys, should I get rid of the flash? I don't know. I think we'll be alright. We got some shoes. Got some nice American Wrangler? Yeah, American Wrangler jeans. Nice. Those are 32, 34s. $88. There's pretty much the box right there off of these three items. And we still have more to go. Okay. So, I'm sure you guys saw these. Oh, it's not like one. Like, whenever you go on the site online, they have you do like, how was the box? And I did that whenever it arrived, just so I could see what was in it before I opened it. But it showed one sock. That's not one sock. That's a whole fucking pack of socks. That's nice. Okay. So we got a Playboy racing shirt. Hopefully this is a large. Beautiful. We got a primitive shirt. say primitive on the front, and that's it. What about the back? That says it on the back too, see? Bow. Bow, primitive. Hold that up. This is gonna be a little bit more. There's a lot of Playboy stuff. I don't think I selected Playboy stuff though. I don't know. This one's cool though. I fuck with this one. Doesn't have anything on the back, but on the front it says Playboy Gold, which is cool. It's cool. It is what it is. I do have the desktop audio going, so if this camera doesn't work and you guys just see the light going on over there, my bad. My bad. I'm looking like a weirdo. Is this another Playboy? This is, I don't remember. Oh wait, this is not. Okay. This one was kind of cool, I thought. So, front says, bittersweet, take care of our planet. Fuck with it. Vibe check. And then, still pushing forward, bittersweet, growing pains. That shit lit. Got like galaxy, cockroach, world, lit. Take it. I'm just kind of piss pouring, folding these up. Apologies to everybody watching this screaming. Lost at sea. Interesting. This is nice. Got a crew tee. This says Lost at Sea. And I will do like a little fit check. And we got a nice little beanie. Fuck. Yeah, we'll do a fit get together. Just need to get this box closed. Big box. Big box. That's for damn sure. And I'm gonna pull this arm out. Oh, wait, I can't do that. Okay, so the Nike box. Damn, this box is fucking obliterated. Look at that shit, obliterated from side to side. But got ourselves gunk on our shoe. Nice. Fucking sick. How is our gum like? Oh, it's the shoe glue. I think. That's alright. That's something I can fix. But what are these? Fucking. I don't know my shoes. Leave me alone. What are these? I don't remember. Nike ones? Nike ones? I don't remember. Doesn't say on the box either. But yeah, we got these. Hoorah. The collection goes on. But yeah. That's pretty much everything from the box. I am going to do a wardrobe change. So just give me a moment to do that. And we'll be back. Yeah, this is nice. So, I got the black beanie on still. God, man, who's that? Who is that? Oh, hold up. Just give you a little street fighter, little street action, you know. But no, we got the jeans on. Can't really, or not the jeans. Sorry, the sweats. But here we go. Can't tell, but it's green-ish, sorta, kinda. Perimeter jacket, primitive, and then the black primitive shirt. This is definitely a good skater like style. So stylist that's hooking me up appreciate you. You know me. I'm a skater at heart. Next thing I do need to do is buy a board. Need to buy a new board. Everything else is fine, but the board is chewed up. With all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it might have been a little bit different, but I am going to put a little bit more effort into each video. So I just appreciate you guys stumbling along, watching the video, taking the time out of your day just to, watch what the fuck I'm up to. So I appreciate you. I love you. I hope you're having a great day, night, evening, whatever it may be. And if it's coming towards the end, good job. Proud of you. With all that said, happy birthday. And it's adios. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.